Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to clean the inside of the Canon 10-22mm USM lens. Recently I had this lens with dust inside, so I had to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside, then assemble the lens. In this video I show you how I did that. As you zoom in and out, the lens collects dust inside. Mostly the dust is between the front lens and the second lens element. Fortunately it is very easy to remove the front lens, so complete disassembly is not required. So in this video I show you how to remove the front lens, clean the lens inside and then assemble the lens. Before I will start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to clean the lens. For disassembly and assembly I will use a PH30 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, metal tweezers, permanent marker and a suction cup. For cleaning the lens I will use an air pump, microfiber cloth, lens cleaning fluid, and I will use a flashlight to check the lens elements. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative and adds value to you. If that's the case, like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. Links in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. And in the description there's an update section. If I have anything to add to this video after it has been posted, then I put it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So let's get started. This is the lens which needs to be cleaned. Use a plastic spudger to lift up the plastic covering on the front of the lens. Mark the position of the front lens element to make sure it is at the same position when it is assembled. Remove the screws. Use a suction cup to lift up the front lens element very carefully. Make sure that the three washers not fall into the lens. Remove the three washers. Start the cleaning with an air pump. If there is still dust on the front lens, then use lens cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth to clean it. Store the lens downwards and continue with the front lens element. Check if there is dust on the inner side of the lens surface. Use an air pump to remove the dust. Use lens cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth if necessary. Put back the washers to their place. Put back the screws. Clean the front lens element before the cover is installed. Put back the front lens covering. Make sure that the three teeth of the cover is connected to the right place. We are done with cleaning the lens. I hope this video was helpful, useful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my eBay webshop. The link is in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching, and looking forward to meet you in one of my other videos.